For more education, please subscribe. Thank you. Can I do it again?
Okay.
For more education, please subscribe. Thank you.
I'm just on here sharing educational knowledge with you that I have gained over 10 years. 10 years of practicing law. And with that said, let's begin. In this video, we are focusing on 10 helpful things to know before you hire an auto repair shop or a mechanic shop to repair your vehicle. Will they provide a clear, itemized vehicle estimate, invoice, or work order that allows you to be fully informed of the issues with your vehicle and the costs associated with the repairs of those issues? This is important because the more information that you have, the better decisions that you can make about your vehicle. Number 2, will they ask you for your authorization or consent for the repairs before they begin the work? This is helpful because there are some auto repair companies and mechanic shops that might not ask you for your consent before they begin repairs to your vehicle. And something to remember is that even though you bring your vehicle to a mechanic shop for service, you still do need to know what the mechanics or the service technicians would like to do to your vehicle before they begin doing it or before they begin making those repairs. Number 3, will they provide a clear length of time for how long it will take them to repair your vehicle and what happens if there are any delays? This is just about being respectful of your time so that you can plan accordingly and them informing you on their policies related to potential delays in completing service to your vehicle. Number 4, are they willing to keep you informed of their progress on repairs and work performed on your vehicle and provide you with updates that you can understand? Number 5, if you have any questions, will they provide clear explanations to you? Number 6, will they inform you of the types of parts that they use for repairs to your vehicle? For example, will they inform you if they use OEM, original equipment manufacturer parts, which is generally recommended for higher performance and more reliability? Or will they inform you if they use certain other types of quality aftermarket parts or general parts, used parts from a junkyard or other types of parts, etc., etc., etc.? Will they inform you of which types of parts they are using to repair your vehicle?
How many shots you need?
Number 7, will they charge you based on the types of parts that they use for your vehicle? For example, will you pay for premium parts, but they are going to use cheap, non-original parts? Will you know which types of parts that they are using on your vehicle and that you are paying for? Will they make that clear to you verbally and also in the estimate or the invoice or the work order or whatever document that they are providing to you? Will it be clear to you what you are paying for? Number 8, are they willing to test drive your vehicle with you after the repairs are completed? Now, not all mechanic shops or auto repair shops have a reasonable amount of time available to do a test drive with you. But if a test drive is something that you would like done after the repairs are completed on your vehicle, then it is something that you should consider asking about before you agree to have them repair your vehicle. Number 9, will they offer clear written warranties with deadlines on their labor and the parts that they provide to you? If the mechanic shop or the auto repair shop does not offer any type of a warranty to you, then it is helpful to take into consideration, number 1, the type of work that you need done on your vehicle, and number 2, whether you want to get that type of work on your vehicle completed through that particular mechanic shop or auto repair shop, knowing that you will not be receiving a warranty. You need to weigh the pros and the cons before you decide to use that particular shop. And some mechanic shops and auto repair shops offer warranties that apply to one part of the service performed and not the other part of the service performed, or perhaps the warranty might apply to the parts but not the labor, or the warranty might apply to the labor but not the parts. So it is helpful to have a clear understanding of what the warranty applies to if the mechanic shop or auto repair shop does offer a warranty. Number 10. Do you feel like the mechanic shop or the auto repair shop is trying to sell repair services to you that you may not need? It is helpful to do your due diligence, to read about your vehicle, have a familiarity with your vehicle, have an understanding of the performance related to your vehicle, how your vehicle operates, the types of parts that it uses. It's helpful to have that general understanding, and also to compare different mechanic shops and auto repair shops and make sure that you are comfortable with certain repairs before moving forward. And for more education, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.